Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be trying something different, something new, and I'm gonna be trying anime. Drawing anime. I know some of my viewers won't like this very much, namely my real life friends, but you know, I just wanted to try it. It looks good, and I didn't care. So I just decided why not do a video on it. But the reason I started drawing, I'm trying to draw anime right now, is because first, it's very popular in the art industry right now. It's the trend kind of, and there's a lot of demand for it. And contrary to landscapes, which is what I used to draw, landscapes, yeah, they look cool, but they take so long to make, and no one really cares about them, to be honest. And there's like barely any demand. And the second reason is because I just like the way it looked and works, because it's pretty simple to draw, like contrary to landscapes again that I used to draw, or photo hyperrealism. And because the color and the shading, it's all very simple. You just use like the bucket tool to do the flat colors and then just do some shading. But yeah, so that's why I like it a lot. But this character that I'm drawing right now is Nezuko from Demon Slayer, the anime. And I've been watching anime. Yeah, I've been watching Demon Slayer. So Joey, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry, but I just had to. And yeah, it's a good show. But anyways, she's basically the main character's sister, and she gets turned into a demon. So that's why she has the muzzle on her mouth, because so that she doesn't accidentally taste human blood. Because if she does, then her demon instincts will take over and she'll crave human blood and then kill people, which won't be good. But I think she's a pretty interesting character, and pretty popular too, actually. But yeah, so I just decided to draw that because it looks nice, I guess. This was my first time drawing anime, so I did make a few mistakes. Like the line, no, not the line, the eyes, as you can see right now, they look very weird, but just trust me, later in the video I do fix it and it does end up looking good. And also I made all the line art like the same thickness, which is not good, because then it just makes it look very boring and depressing. No, not depressing, just yeah, boring, I guess. So to draw this, I was using two references. One of some girl sitting down, and then the other one of just Nezuko, and then I basically just drew a figure, like a basic figure of the girl sitting down, and then I turned it into Nezuko essentially. Alright, so now I'm starting the coloring, and as you can see, the eyes still look very weird, but I promise, near the end of the video, I do fix it, and it ends up looking good. So yeah, as I said, it's very simple to color anime. You just use a paint bucket tool and then just fill some colors in, and then do the shading. Actually, for this drawing, I didn't really do much shading, because I didn't really understand how to shade anime. But then I watched 15 tutorials in this YouTuber's how to draw anime series. What was his name? Art Senpai. Yeah, that was his name. But yeah, those tutorials were very helpful and helped me draw anime. Alright, so now for this, I tried to copy these eyes. This is not what I meant when I was fixing the eyes, because this ended up looking very bad too. and I just deleted it. Yeah, like look at that, that didn't fix anything. So I just reverted it, and I noticed that the forehead was a little too big, so I just made it a little smaller. And the hands, I did kind of mess up the hands because she's supposed to be like sitting on a wall, but her full hand was visible, which doesn't really make sense for this perspective. Alright, so now I'm just doing like the shading in the hair. I just did a bunch of random line strokes pretty much, and it kind of worked a little bit, I guess. Alright, so now I'm just basically doing some more shading, and I just made it like dark in the bottom and light at the top, and I added a little background because I didn't feel like drawing one. I just got it from Google. Alright, so I actually drew another version of Nezuko after this video, as you can see right there, since I like Nezuko so much. Wait, okay, hold up, that is not what I meant. Okay, anyways, I'm drawing, like, I'm fixing the eyes now, as I said, by just copying it from the other Nezuko that I drew after, and now it's basically done. I tried to make some shadows, but it didn't work, so I just decided not to. And there it is, the final version of Nezuko. So, yeah, this video was very fun to make, and I enjoyed drawing anime, so if you guys want more of that, then comment down below. I mean, if you don't, I might just keep doing it, but just let me know what you think. And thanks for watching, subscribe and like and all that stuff, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.